Truth about Halloween. Halloween is a demonic holiday with pagan origins from Ireland, where it is called the Festival of Samhain. The holiday symbolizes the end of summer, the beginning of harvest and death. Halloween is celebrated all over the world. Other cultures just call it different names and are more discreet. On October the 31st, the veil that separates the physical realm and the spiritual realm is the thinnest, so a lot of spooky, spiritual activities happen. The veil gets even thinner during the hours of 12 a.m. to 3 a.m. Witches, warlocks, and other members of the Satanic Kingdom gather in cemeteries, underground, and their dark rooms to make sacrifices to their deities. These sacrifices are mostly of children and babies. Every year, children dress up as their favorite demon or primordial spirit to go out into the night to knock on neighbors' doors in hopes of receiving candy. If the neighbor is a witch or warlock looking for a sacrifice or a star, they can pick and choose which children to afflict. The candy can be cursed, and once the child consumes it, it's over with.
Follow Jamaican True Stories.
A child can also be marked for future rituals that night as well. Many children even go missing that night, stolen by desperate members of the Dark Kingdom who seek to appease their deities' demands for powers and blessings in return. Junctions and crossroads are also busy with spiritual activity on October 31st, especially around midnight. Demons and other spirits walk and party among the living as well, so beware.
Like, follow, and share Jamaican True Stories.